Hey, howdy. Pretty well. How are you today? I can't help but notice that your truck says Scoop Masters dog poop pickup service. Is that for real?
Yeah.
This is for real. You're actually offering a service of picking up dog poop.
Exactly, yes.
Wow. Is that an expensive service?
It's like $15.
$15 like per
It,
per trip?
yes.
Okay. So if I had a dog and my dog pooped in my backyard, you'd come and pick it up for $15.
Yes.
I'm a little incredulous. It seems like these lots are so small that couldn't imagine there'd be a lot of poop.
It's not bad. It's not a bad gig.
All right. Well, very interesting. I'll keep that in mind. I might just buy a dog so that you could come pick up its poop.
All right, let me know.
All right.
All right, take care.
Good night. Good afternoon.